You're being accused of overturning a verdict for personal gain. How many other firms you go through before coming to me?
7.
That's what I thought. So you're not coming to me because I know you're fair. You picked me because anyone who takes on this case is going to have to drop at least one client. No thanks.
I've served for 20 years. They're accusing me of something I didn't do. And I lose this, I lose everything I've ever worked for. So did you mean that shit you said to the jury or not?
Jury ruled in favor of Polycode. Rawls overturned the case on its merits.
Let me guess, found out that Rawls has a ton of money in case systems.
But I talked to her finance guy. It's blind, and he's willing to put it in writing.
Who's repping Polycode?
Smith and Devane.
Shit, they want her off so she won't find against a different client in an upcoming case.
We have a signed agreement. She'll recuse herself from Exodyne versus the state of New York.
I'm afraid that's not good enough. What this is really about is removing a judge from the bench who's demonstrated an inability to follow the law.
She followed the law in your case. You just didn't like the result.
Why don't you ask her if she followed the law in the Sullivan case 12 years ago?
I was a new judge, and there was a 16-year-old kid with the worst public defender I've ever seen. But when he was offered a plea deal and this moron wanted to take it to trial, I couldn't sit by and watch.
Instead, you had direct contact with the defendant. It's illegal. She didn't tell us about it. I'm not losing a client for a judge who can't even tell her own lawyers the truth.
You want to know what kind of judge I am? Anita Gibbs came to me to wiretap your phones. I said no, because they didn't have probable cause.
Are you saying I owe you?
I'm saying I made one mistake, and our system relies on having people like me up on that bench so that when people like you get in front of us, you don't go straight to prison.